Here at Solara Harbor in Azmaria, the night air hums with lantern light and sea breeze. I ride through stores of fresh catch, stormreef sea tongue flopping against ice beside real yellowfin tuna. Around me, vendors in woven straw hats laugh as they wrap crimson amberroot tubers in banana leaves. The harbor town sits on the tropical coast, where warm monsoons feed rice paddies on the hills, and fishermen dance at midwinter festivals. Tonight, I'm here for one special plate: the Terasi Blaze Stew, a local favorite served at Blue Coral Inn just across the pier. The chef arrives with a steaming bowl held high. First, the broth, a rich amberroot blend of slow-simmered shrimp stock, smoked black pepper, and a dash of tamarind from the inland groves. As steam rises, I catch sweet smoke with a hint of tang. Chef smiles and drizzles a spoonful of moonvine petal oil. Its pale violet hue shines in the light. Moonvine, a climbing flower that unfolds only under full moons in Azmaria's rainy season, adds a delicate foreign note without being too sweet. They ladle in chunks of stormreef sea tongue, a fish known for its silvery skin and firm white flesh that flakes easily. Each bite bursts with ocean saltiness, balanced by tender cubes of amberroot. This tuber grows in volcanic soil inland and tastes like a mix of sweet potato and chestnut, with a subtle heat that builds on the tongue. The chef tosses in shredded coastal basil leaves, bright green ribbons that smell of lemons, and strips of naga chili for those who crave fire. On the side, I get a small bowl of jasmine rice scented with pandan leaf and topped with crackling garum bits. It's sun-dried fish condiment that adds crunch and umami. I take a spoonful of rice and a crispy garum flake together. The texture is a symphony. Velvet broth, silky fish, creamy tuber. That tins at the crisp garnish. My mouth tingles as smoked black pepper's warmth glides down my throat. In Azmaria, stew is more than food. Its history. Centuries ago, coastal tribes combined inland crops with the sea's bounty to survive monsoon flood. The Terasi Blaze Stew evolved during pilgrimage to Solara's cliffside temples, where travelers shared precious spices and taught each other recipes. Today, traders from neighboring islands ship amberroot and moonvine petals by windsail barges, while stormreef sea tongue is caught daily by small boats in the still before dawn light. Around me, families dip rice into communal bowls and toast with chilled tamarind wine. Celebrating each harvest, across the harbor, lanterns drift on the water in memory of ancestors. Even in the soft glow, you can hear laughter and the gentle lapping of waves on wooden docks. I finish the last spoonful, savoring the final smoky swirl. The Terasi Blaze Stew warms you through, carries you across centuries, and tastes of Azmaria's rain-kissed land and restless sea. If you ever find yourself under these lanterns at Solara Harbor, don't just watch dive riding, and let every flavor tell you its story.